Good morning. Welcome back to Maths class 4 standard children. Today I am just guiding you. Already you have done this type of questions. I just guiding you how to do such type of questions. You see in the PDF that I am sending you, or from the workbook also you can um, do page number 58. Let's do homework given. So you have to do now this, you have to complete this page 58, 59 and 60 page. Even few figures also drawn at page number 61. You have to complete these. I am just guiding how to do, how to complete your work. First question in let's do homework. Fill in the blanks on the basis of your everyday schedule, daily activities. What activities you are doing and at what time you are doing. You have to draw the hands, clock hands, at what time you have to show the time by clock, okay, by drawing the hour hand and minute hand to represent these activities. First I am going to read from the question. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So you see here they have drawn 6 o'clock. To draw 6 o'clock, the minute hand should reach to 12, and that hour hand should direct at 6. And same way children, second, I take bath at dash o'clock. That means I take bath. At what time you take bath? You can draw that time. If 7 o'clock, the hour hand will towards 7, okay, and minutes hand towards 12. Okay, so you have to draw. Already I have taught you how to draw, so I am not drawing over here for you, only just guiding you. I take breakfast at dash o'clock in the morning. At what time you are taking the breakfast, you have to draw that time. Same way children, I go to school at what time, that all these activities given here they have written. At what time you are taking the lunch, at what time you are leaving for the school, at what time you are coming to home, and when you are going to start doing homework. All these activities written over here, clock is drawn. You have just to write the and draw the time at what time you are going to do the things. Okay, now I am going to start question number 2. In question number 2 children, okay, you have to put the circle around the correct time. First you will check what time is given by clock. Okay, you have to see the time by clock and you have to put the correct option. You have to put tick mark to the correct option. Question number 2, what time it is showing? The clock, first clock is showing what time, that is 10 o'clock. So option C is the correct. Question number 2, what time is shown by clock 2? That is 6 o'clock. Okay, because hour hand is towards 6 and minute hand towards 12. You see the difference because one of the child complained me, madam, here 12 o'clock given at in second unit test. You see this hand is smaller and this one is bigger. Okay, so this one I have drawn, this is bigger one. So you have to find out the smaller hand and bigger hand. So you should not confuse with the hands. The minute hand you have seen, it is just reaching up to the division of minutes drawn in this clock. So you have to first identify the hour hand as well as the minute hand. Don't get confused with that hands, and you have to first find out, then you have to write the correct time given shown by the clock. This is in second option. You see here the C, 6 o'clock is the correct answer. Now same way children, third, 6 towards 6, that is smaller, and towards third, that is bigger hand. So the 3 5s are 15, the time will be 6:15. Same way children, you will do all the sums given or drawn at page number 59. Okay, and same way question number 60, question number third given at page number 60 and 61. You have to draw the time. Already in the chapter I have shown you how to draw the time. Okay, the time is written. First question I am drawing for you. You see here 5 hours and 20 minutes. For 5 hours, smaller hand will direct towards 5, and 20 minutes hand will direct 5 fours are towards number 4. Okay, you will draw 5 to the smaller and 20 up to this. Okay, this will show that 20. You have to use the scale to draw. Okay, I am roughly drawing and showing again. Okay, already I taught you how to draw the smaller hand and bigger hand. Okay, hours hand will be smaller and minutes hand will be bigger. Same way all the sums you have to complete already in the demo lecture I have given. So you complete this revision at home by doing all page number 59, 60 and 61.